guys, Mayflom here with a quick YouTube video for you. So I'm making a card that says leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I've got 3 different die cuts here kind of placed overlapped in the middle and some stitching around the edge. Now what I want to show you in this video is how I like to embellish cards with sequins, buttons, stamps, and things. First thing I'm going to do is I've got this very well loved gold Heidi Swapp mist that I'm going to take out and just give a couple of flicks here. Might need a little more there, like so. The next thing I'm going to do is take some archival ink. You don't have to use archival ink, I just happen to have cobalt blue. And this is an Amy Tangerine stamp, little heart stamp, and I'm gonna go like so. What I'm doing here is just kind of making a fun little trail across my card. Now you can stamp over anything. Anything on here we can stamp on. Totally personal preference. Go like so. And then I'm gonna get into my buttons, sequins, and things, and I really am just gonna pour a few of them out here. Now this one is the Stormy Skies bottle. This is one of my favorites, all those beautiful blues and pearls and buttons. Now where do we put those buttons, pearls, and things? Well, I am going to put a few. I'm using my archival acid-free PPA adhesive. I'm going to look at the elements that I've got. So for example, right here at the top would be a great place for a blue button at the top of that tag. And then I'll look at the design elements and see where I want some little dots for maybe some sequins. I have little beads in here, and then I'll just drop them on here as I've got little glue spots. And then once I've got all those little spots of glue filled, I'll look again and I'll add more as needed. Then we will add some more dots. Oh, that's a little big there. For little half pearls or sequins, embellishments, whatever you've got that you want to add in here, you'll just add a little drop of adhesive and just take your time here. If you have little tweezers like little jewelry or craft tweezers, those can be helpful, but not necessary. It's totally up to you. We just want to kind of make little groupings here and have some fun with it. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video and these quick ideas. For even more, be sure you're subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.